In this Watch It video, we're going to look at the image methods that we could use to put images on our Pygame window. Now that we know how to draw shapes on the screen, we can also look at putting images on the screen. But before we do that, we need to look at some of the frequently used methods. We have pygame.image.load file. This loads an image from a file and returns it as a surface. Then you have surface.blit image XY. This draws a surface on another surface. We have pygame.draw.rectangle, and this draws a rectangle on a surface, and then pygame.draw.circle, which draws a circle on the surface. Now, before we can do anything, what I need you to do is click on dude.gif right here. That is going to give you this image that you can download. So that's going to go into your downloads folder. You're going to show it in the folder. And then once it's in your folder, you're going to right click, copy, go to your Pygame folder, that your My Pygame. So if we go right here and I go to My Python, and then you're going to paste in the image, okay, so that the image is in your folder where you're saving all of your code, okay? Then we can come back over here and we can start the activity. Now, to begin the activity, we go to open our Pygame window. So we have our Pygame window open. We make sure that we have our imports. So we have import pygame and .sys, and then we have from pygame.locals import all. So we need to add that. So we're going to say import pygame.locals import. And we want to import all. Then we have our Pygame init. That's the same. We have our screen, and our screen is going to be a 400 by 200, so we need to change this. Then it's okay that I have these colors here. It looks like we're filling in the screen with white, which is fine. We can leave that the same. Now we're going to add the loads an image. So we need to, if you want to put in your comment, you can, or you can leave it off, but we are adding an image to the screen. So we put in the img equal pygame.image.load, and then you put the name of the image, which is dude.gif. Make sure that you put the quotation marks around the name of the image. Close your parenthesis. Now we need to put in screen dot blit dot, then we put in parenthesis img and the location that we would like it to be drawn at, which is 30, 40. Alright, so then we have our pygame.display update, which we already have, and our while true. So we're going to do a file save as, and you are going to name it pygame image.py. Then you're going to run it. I spelled something wrong, so let's go back and fix this. To fix this, we're just going to move the asterisk back next to the import. Then you're going to click File, Save, run the module, and there is our dude. So if I wanted to move dude to a different location, this isn't where I want him to be, so I could close this. And I could come over here and say I wanted him to be at 100. 100. Now I save it again. I run it. And now dude has moved to 100. 100. Alright, so now what I want you to do is answer the check for understanding and then move on to the next section where we are going to look at moving our dude around the screen.